Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this faded text effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened the new page and inserted the same picture. Go into the text, add heading, and just typing the same text, beach. Selecting it, go into the fonts, choose Anton, and go into the text colors and choosing white, increasing the size, maybe even bigger, like to this position, and move it to the center, share, download, and just downloading the picture to the new page. And now zooming a bit just to crop the picture till the bottom of the text. Okay, zoom it back, insert into the bottom of the picture, bottom of the Canva, and increasing the size to fit the page, and downloading again. But now just the second page is downloaded, and uploading this picture to the original one, removing the text. Just wait until it's uploaded, go into the apps, searching for the easy reflections, selecting the picture, and now create reflection, changing the position to above, opacity changing to 100% and offset to 70. Okay, and now add to design. And now I can remove this, and I can flip vertically and a bit increasing the size. Also this size, and now I have the final result. As you can see, that was very easy and looks amazing. Hope so you liked it. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.